Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Rachel Silvera reflects on her Miss Universe journey with pride. Silvera, the current Miss Universe Jamaica, may not have placed in the top 30 at the recently concluded 73rd Miss Universe competition in Mexico, but she remains immensely proud to have represented her country on the global stage. In a sit-down with E-Prime, radiating national pride, she spoke about the joy of showcasing Jamaica to the world.
Celebrating and representing Jamaica that excels in everything, it was definitely an honor for me. I did the best I could, and I'm so happy that that translated to everyone. Everybody was pretty proud of me, and I was just happy to have been able to represent a nation that's so strong and so vibrant and excels at everything.
Despite not securing the crown, she stressed that one moment does not define her, and she is thankful for the opportunity to compete.
My biggest lesson was that never be upset about not being chosen. And we need to stop defining ourselves and our lives based on being chosen. It's such a human experience I guess we all have to go through. But when I wasn't placed in the top 30, I wasn't upset about it, because it just simply meant that time we just didn't align.
Recognizing the nature of beauty pageants where only one contestant can win, Silvera candidly shared the emotional challenges she faced after weeks of preparation.
Honestly, obviously we're all human beings, and disappointment is a human reaction. So I would have been disappointed given that I did all that I could and I worked very, very hard, as did every single contestant there.
Now, a memorable highlight for her was the national costume segment, where she wore a stunning creation that paid tribute to Jamaica's iconic dancehall culture.
I was very, very happy that the organization took this angle this year, and it was just about celebrating the women in dancehall, the women in the music industry, like Spice and Shenseea, people like that. We just wanted to show respect and appreciation for their contribution to society and to the genre, which is so popular and so worldwide. So it was an honor for me. So we had the boom boxes at the side, which represented the music, and the fishnet stockings, the high boots, the short shorts, just to show that we do appreciate the dancers as well, the female dancers that help to make dancehall what it really is.
Now, on the international scene, Drake alleges Universal falsely inflated popularity of Kendrick Lamar's diss track, They Not Like Us. The Canadian rapper has filed a petition in a New York court alleging that Universal Music Group, UMG, used fake social media accounts, or bots, and pay-to-play radio deals to artificially make Kendrick Lamar's song go viral. Drake claims this campaign misled the public into believing the track was more popular than it really was. In response, UMG has strongly denied the accusations, calling them offensive and untrue. The petition does not suggest any wrongdoing by Kendrick Lamar. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.